Although this isn't a real train, you can actually come in here and feel that you're actually either stood on a train and you can hear and see the different aspects of the train, or that you're on a platform and you can hear the different interactions that we make to ensure that the passenger information system on the platforms are the same as what is happening in real life.
We'll have balises on the track, so there are little trackers that the train will go over. EHCS will read them and it'll have information of where the next station will be, how far it is, how many doors to open, when to start braking. So that sort of stuff will come into the EHCS. It'll process that information and then at the right time it'll apply automatic braking. When we get to the station, it'll apply automatic door release as well. Such a safety critical system, we have to test it, obviously, to make sure we're catching all the issues before they catch them on the train or on the tracks.